Welcome to Tech Explorer, where we bring you the latest in mobile technology. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the brand new ITIL S25 Ultra. This device seems to redefine what a budget smartphone can offer with its 6.78-inch 3D curved AMOLED display, powerful Unisoc T620 processor, and a 50MP triple camera system capable of 4K video recording. With a 5000 mAh battery and the new ITIL OS 14, it's clear that ITIL is raising the bar for affordable smartphones. Let's dive into all the features, performance, and more to see if the S25 Ultra truly lives up to the hype. The ITIL S25 Ultra exudes elegance with its 3D curved AMOLED display, giving it a flagship-like look and feel. The phone is slim and lightweight, measuring just 7.9 mm in thickness and weighing around 180 grams. Its back panel features a glossy gradient finish, available in pearl white and midnight black, which catches the light beautifully. The device also houses a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, seamlessly integrated into the frame for quick and secure access. While it doesn't have an IP rating for water resistance, its durable build quality ensures the phone can handle everyday wear and tear. The 6.78-inch 3D curved AMOLED display is the star of the ITIL S25 Ultra. With full HD Plus resolution and an impressive 90% screen-to-body ratio, this display offers an immersive viewing experience. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and the 1000 nits peak brightness ensures visibility even under direct sunlight. The 120 Hz refresh rate adds a layer of smoothness, making scrolling, gaming, and multitasking a delight. Whether you're streaming videos, browsing social media, or playing games, the display on the S25 Ultra delivers flagship-level quality at a budget-friendly price. Under the hood, the ITIL S25 Ultra is powered by the Unisoc T620 processor, a capable mid-range chipset designed for smooth everyday performance. Paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, the phone handles multitasking, app usage, and light gaming with ease. For gaming enthusiasts, titles like Call of Duty, Mobile and Genshin Impact run smoothly at medium settings, thanks to the GPU's optimization. ITIL has also included AI enhancements that improve system performance and battery efficiency over time. The device runs on the new ITIL OS 14, which is based on Android 14 Go edition. This lightweight OS is designed for speed and efficiency, ensuring a lag-free experience. The 50MP triple camera setup on the ITIL S25 Ultra is a pleasant surprise in this price segment. The primary sensor captures detailed and vibrant images, even in challenging lighting conditions. The secondary lens is an 8MP ultrawide sensor, perfect for landscape shots and group photos, while the 2MP macro lens lets you explore the world of close-up photography. The camera app also includes advanced AI features like scene detection, night mode, and portrait enhancements, making it easy for anyone to take great photos. For video enthusiasts, the S25 Ultra supports 4K recording, a rare feature at this price point. On the front, the 16MP selfie camera offers clear and natural-looking selfies, with modes like AI Beauty and Portrait Blur to enhance your shots. The ITIL S25 Ultra is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, designed to keep you powered throughout the day. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or just browsing, this battery won't let you down. The phone supports 33W fast charging, allowing you to go from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. This is a convenient feature for those always on the go, ITEL's AI battery optimization further enhances battery life by minimizing power usage in the background, ensuring you get the most out of every charge. The ITEL OS 14 brings a fresh and user-friendly interface to the S25 Ultra. It's designed to be lightweight yet feature-packed, with customization options like dynamic themes, gestures, and a dark mode for a more personalized experience. The software includes a smart assistant that organizes your daily tasks, a digital well-being feature to monitor screen time, and app freezer to optimize performance. The phone also supports dual 4G SIM cards, ensuring seamless connectivity for work and leisure. Priced at just $180, the ITEL S25 Ultra offers incredible value for money. Competing devices like the Realme Narzo 60X and Poco M6 Pro may have comparable specs, but the 3D curved AMOLED display and 4K video recording make the S25 Ultra stand out. For those who want a stylish, feature-packed smartphone without breaking the bank, this device is hard to beat. So, is the ITEL S25 Ultra worth it? Absolutely. With its stunning 3D curved AMOLED display, reliable Unisoc T620 processor, versatile 50MP triple camera system, and all-day battery life, this phone redefines what a budget smartphone can deliver. It's perfect for students, professionals, or anyone looking for a stylish and functional device at an affordable price. What do you think about the ITEL S25 Ultra? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Explorer for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.